Hello guys, welcome. My name is Anvesh. My registration number is UAK17CH031. And here in this video, I am going to explain the singly linked list. So here I did my program the code blocks. First, I created a class like linked and private. In the private section, I gave struct node int data and struct node star next. So struct node star head is equal to null I mentioned, and public for insert friend for inserting node in the front. So I'm creating one temporary node star n equal to new node, and I'm giving to the data into that node equal to x, and I'm pointing the node as a head equal to n. So for putting insert a back node star, and here also I'm creating one temporary node, and I'm initializing data into that node, and node star m equal to head, while m gives next not equal to null, then m is equal to m dot next, I mean the previous one, and m dot next is equal to n. So the m after the node is n, which has been created as temporary, and n to next equal to null. And for the inserting middle, we are going to do this, and we are creating one temporary node star n and equal to new node, and we are initializing the data into it, and int a, and cout enter the node number you want to insert, and scene a. So node star m equal to head, and here I am taking one for loop to initialize in the middle int I equal to 0, I less than or equal to a minus 1, I plus plus. If m equal to null, then cout node doesn't exist or break. The loop breaks. M is equal to m dot next, and it will go for the next, and n to next equal to m dot next, and m dot next is equal to n. So for the delete operation in delete friend, so if delete friend, if head equal to null, then return -1. Then I am creating a node head is equal to head dot next, and putting that pointer to the temporary node int p is equal to n dot data, and delete n and return p. So I am returning the p in the front side. So int delete back node star n is equal to head and node star m. If head equal to null, then return -1. It will return -1, and while n to next not equal to null, then it will check m equal to n, and n is equal to n dot next, m dot next is equal to null, and like that only. Int delete middle node, I am creating one n temporary node, I am initializing that as head, and node star m int num head equal to null. Then here also it will return -1. Cout enter the node number you want to delete, and see you are giving a one number. So here I am taking the loop again, int I equal to 0, I less than num, and I plus plus. So m equal to n, and equal to n to next, and here also it will delete the nth element, and it will return p. And in the void node search int x, if head equal to null, then cout the list contains no elements to display. Or else if no way of creating temporary node, here also the node star n is equal to head, int q equal to 1, I equal to 0, we initialized already, and while n dot next not equal to null, if n to next not equal to null, then if n to data is equal to x, the given data found at node number, then it will find the q at value, and n to n dot next, and it will increment the q as 1, it will become 2, and for 0 it will become 1 in the I. If I equal to 0, cout elements are not present in the list. And in the display element, and in the display function, I use if head equal to null, then the list cannot no elements to display. And here I am creating one node head with the head, and while n dot next null equal to, when n dot next not equal to null, then cout it will return the data. And here in the void node reverse, I am creating one data, and I am putting that as head, int f equal to 0, array of size is 20. If head equal to null, the list contains no elements in the display. And same if, and in the main function I use the switch case to call void insert at front, insert back, insert middle, and delete front, delete and node reverse, and to display. So here I will show my output, and here you can see I got. So I'm pressing 1 to insert, so I'm putting 15, and here again I am giving 16, and 1 I am giving 17. So here we can see the elements of 17, 16, 15. So I will insert middle. So I am putting 3. I am putting 18. Now I will display. So you can see here node doesn't exist, so it's searching element. Okay. Oh, sorry, it's a small mistake. Thank you for watching.